When people hear the name Eve, they think of the woman who ate the fruit, the one who caused humanity to fall. But few remember her other title, helper, the first woman, the first partner, the first mother. Yes, she failed, but she also rose, built again, and became the mother of all living. Eve was handcrafted by God, not from the dust, but from Adam's side. She was made to walk beside him, to support, nurture, and multiply creation. God called her Ezer Kenegdo, a helper fit for him. This wasn't a servant, but a strength that completes. She had wisdom, curiosity, and purpose. Yet one conversation with the serpent shifted history. Deceived, she reached for what seemed good, and fell. But even then, God didn't erase her. He covered her. He still called her Eve, the mother of all living. The name of life, not of shame. Eve's mistake was real. She listened to the wrong voice, but she didn't stay in regret. She acknowledged her failure, she learned from it, and she moved forward. She became a helper once again, not only to Adam, but to the generations that would come after her. Every woman has a bit of Eve in her, strong, curious, nurturing, yet human. You might have fallen for lies about your worth, made choices you wish you hadn't. But like Eve, you can rise again. Being a helper doesn't mean weakness. It means carrying a strength that restores, builds, and heals. The Bible says, "It is not good for man to be alone. I will make him a helper suitable for him." That purpose is powerful. Eve reminds us that even when we fall, God's purpose for us doesn't change. She was created as a helper, called to nurture life, and she did. The first sinner became the first symbol of grace. The first to fall became the first to rise. Don't stay where you fell. Rise where you are forgiven. So next time you hear the name Eve, don't just remember the fruit. Remember the faith. Remember the woman who got back up, kept helping, kept living, and kept believing. Tag a woman who needs to hear this. You are still the helper, still chosen, still capable of rising again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.